Hello everyone, welcome back to Molder Creations. It's me Sudesh. So today we are talking about how to create roof tiles. In very few clicks we can make roof tiles. So I just made a profile of the roof, a simple profile. So let's check it out how to make tiles on this, roof tiles on this. So there is a simple way to do. I'm merging an object from my, there is a roof tiles, simple roof tiles. So just merging this. So I merge this one. This is the tiles. So I'll keep a link for this model, so you can check it out. You can download and keep these models. So what we have to do, just go and select this. So this one we selected and go down here. So there is an option called build new form from edge. So this one we select it and go to this edge of this face and just click it. It's come here. So basically we want here, here, here. Actually not need here, here, here. So just simple one click, it's coming. So it's very powerful tool to use. Here if you don't want, you can just click and delete it, and we have to fill this area also. Just build again. Here you have to come end of this, so this properly it will align with this edge. If you're clicking here, it will come little different. Just click and go, and just one click only. It's so amazing tool to use for roof tiles. So once you used it, you can delete this one because this is already there, and from this also you can create, you can build this. So any color or any texture if you want, you can change here, this color only we picked it, and you can change whatever color if you want, reddish. You can give texturing later. So that's it. It's so cool tool. So I'll keep description in the model link, so you can download and check it out. Thank you so much guys. Thank you.